Hey, what's up YouTube? Your boy Dex here, and we got another video for you guys. How's it going? Make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe about this video. Don't forget, we got that 50 subscriber giveaway coming up with the Supreme Tea. We're almost there. Woo! Anyway, enough with that. So, we're at 38. Let's get to 50. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, smash that subscribe button. Please, thank you, means a lot. Let's get into this video today. Today we got $650 t-shirt unboxing. This don't look like much, no it don't. But let's get into it. Ordered this from Saks Fifth Ave on Black Friday, so we got a bit of a deal. Steals and deals, you know. We got the Balmain tee. $650 regularly. I got it on Black Friday, so I had a nice deal. I think I ended up only paying $390. I mean, not really much of a discount, but hey, whatever. It's already, look at this. Got all these holes in it and stuff. Pre-holage, you know, make it look worn in and stuff. Let me get this on for you guys, give you guys a nice little show, and be right back. Back here, got it on. You guys want to check this out a little bit? Let me move the camera back a bit. That nice galaxy print. See the holes here? It's very nice, very good quality. It's Balmain, so you know. Balmain's one of my favorite designer brands. Love their stuff. But this is all we got for today. Don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe. Peace out.